Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system launched by Microsoft Corporation in 2015. Some of the useful features introduced in Windows 10 are Sneak, Snap, and Jump List. Sneak. The Sneak feature of Windows 10 shows you on the taskbar a preview of the windows that are open. For this, you need to hover your mouse over any icon on the taskbar. All the open windows related to that icon appears as mini windows showing the contents of that window. This feature is useful as it saves your time. You need not restore different windows to search a particular window. You can just sneak the required window on your taskbar and click on the window that you want to work on. Snap. Suppose you have to compare two files. You need to arrange the two windows side by side exactly to fill half of the screen. It takes time to arrange windows like this. Windows 10 provides Snap feature to make this easy. To use Snap feature, click and hold on title bar of one of the two required windows. Move the mouse pointer towards left or right edge of the screen. Release the mouse button. The window will fill exactly half of the screen. The other open windows will appear as mini windows in the remaining half screen. Click on the other window required. The window will now fill the remaining half of the screen. Jump List. A jump list is a feature that allows you to view recent documents in a program that is pinned to the taskbar. To see jump list, right-click on any program icon in the taskbar. This will open the list of recently modified documents within that program.